Good morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm taking you along on a beautiful day in Mangalore. A day filled with temples, peaceful moments, a little road trip, and some quality time with friends. We started our morning early and set out for Kadil, one of the most famous temple destinations near Mangalore. The drive itself was really nice. On the way, you get to see the local side of Mangalore, greenery, small roads, temples, people starting their day, and that slow morning vibe that makes the journey just as enjoyable as the destination. Kadil is one of those places that instantly gives you a calm feeling. Temple atmosphere, the sound of bells, the devotees, the architecture, everything together creates such a peaceful experience. We spent some time taking in the surroundings. One of the special moments here was seeing the elephant. That was honestly such a beautiful part of the visit. Watching the elephant up close, seeing how calm and majestic it looked, and just experiencing that traditional temple atmosphere made the whole place feel even more special. After spending some peaceful time at Kadil, taking darshan and capturing all these lovely moments, it was time to head to our next stop, Kadri Manjunatha Temple. Now this temple is one of the most iconic and well-known temples in Mangalore. Kadri Manjunatha Temple has such a powerful presence, from the architecture to the history and the overall atmosphere of the place. The moment you enter, you can feel that sense of tradition and devotion all around you. We spent some time here exploring the temple premises, taking in the beauty of the place. No strict plan, no rush, just good company and good vibes. Sometimes that's all you need after a full day out. Those simple moments with friends always become the best memories. Whether it's random conversations, joking around, grabbing something to eat, or just sitting together after a long day, it all adds so much to the experience. And honestly, this was the perfect way to end the day. And that's it for today's vlog, a full day in Mangalore. If you liked this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And let me know in the comments if you want to see more vlogs from Mangalore and nearby places. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.